Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau ba Sniawbhalang'Dhar haka arpu artrek uyayong arhajar arpunrio. Ulakan thok ba kejing temu ban penlong rali keseng VPP halol ke projek Lumpongdeng kadei tang gerensan menelap election steng samoy na kebenta ke Shillong Lok Sabha seat. Ba Sniawbhalang'Dhar ulong ba kani kadei kurukom trekam jeng keseng san perthai bat ke NPP ru kan sedang nok ke Jingialap Elecion au benai banwan. Halo gejing sange ke projek Touch Resort and Spa Lumpongdeng ula pencai bagarai ke sorkar kelas cai na duk sedang. Ula benrap ru bagi sorkar ke pediang yaki kampen roy. Ndrai namar bagi senjuk kirang ba asnong kerib hoi kelapen payo gejing persya ke sorkar kelas ngap ke sur jongki bat penbet ya kene kam.
You see that public rally and all these things by VP, they're starting campaign because of the by-election MP simple as that. And we also are to start campaign only, maybe by next month. That is a part of the agenda to campaign. No, that you see, every political party is their duty to campaign for the by-election. No, maybe they want to use as a by-election agenda. That is it's up to them. We are almost I always welcome development. In that support, but now they're locally, so the government is listen to the voice of all these Sanjuk Karambas, no from the body sick, and you know very well now I'll give the statement very clear yesterday, and exactly that we resolve the issue.